Okay, so this is a little video on how to change the battery on a 2013, I believe it is, Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. I've already taken the little metal key out of here. You all know how to do that. The thing I want to point out here is that there is a built-in little slot right there that allows you to stick a screwdriver in that slot and pry this, but it just pops right open, and so you get a nice gap here. You can do it with your fingers, kind of run around the side. Another pop, it's open. There's the battery. You can pry it out with a toothpick. Sometimes you can just drop the thing and the battery will come out partially, and you can pry it out again with a screwdriver or toothpick or whatever. It is a 2032. And make sure when you put it back in that the plus side is down. That's the big flat side. Work it in from the back to the front. Press it together like that. And then kind of reverse the direction from where you started from. Starting here. And then snap it.